Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Notta Memo. So this device is actually an AI voice recorder and it's actually very great. So we are going to be checking what is in this box and also how we are going to be able to use this to actually record our meetings and also record some phone calls we feel is important for us. So first of all, we are going to just try and then peel this off and see what is inside the box when this device gets into our hands. So out of the box, we are going to see our device right here. That is the memo, the Notta Memo. We keep it right here, and then when we flip this page, we are going to see this right here where we are going to be able to attach it to the back of our phone. So we put that one here, and then this is our charger right here. I'll actually show you guys later on. So we keep this one right here, and then with this, like I said, we are going to be able to attach it to the back of our phone. So we have this right here where we are going to be pasting it at the back of our device or any phone we have, and then we will put this right here, and then we are going to be able to have it this way. So this is how it's going to look like at the end after you've kept everything at the back of your device. You're going to have it this way. You see, we have the Notta right here, and then we have our device right here. So you put it back, and then you just adjust it for it to be how you want it. All right, so we have our Notta Memo right here, and it's actually very great. So inside of the box, you're actually going to get a QR code, which you are going to be able to scan in order to download this application right here. That is the Notta we have right here. Or you can just go straight to the App Store, and then you search for Notta, and then you should get this app right here, and then you are going to be able to use this device. So first of all, how you're going to be able to connect this device is you press on this section right here. You see the power button, that is it right here, and then this screen is actually going to flash. So it's going to write Notta and actually show the battery and then the Bluetooth sign, then you are good to connect. So I'm just going to show you right away. Just press it once, and then you're going to see the Notta on your device, and then you see the phone syncing, and then you're going to see the Bluetooth sign on your device, your battery, and then your Bluetooth, and then it means you are ready to connect. So you're going to go inside of the app this way. So when you go inside of the app, you're just going to see this memo right here, and then you're just going to tap on this side right here in order to pair your device to this phone. So you scroll down right here, and then you tap on smart devices, and you're going to see this section right here where we have our Notta Memo. You tap on Notta Memo, and then you're going to tap on connect, and it's actually going to connect to the nearby Notta Memo right here. So it has seen our device, so we just tap on connect, and it's going to connect right away. So you see our Bluetooth popping up. So now you can see right here, and this actually records phone calls and also records live recording. So you're going to be able to just adjust it like this. When you switch this upwards this way, you're going to see call recording mode. You switch it down, you're going to see live recording mode. So I switch it up like this, you're going to see changes right here, call recording mode. I switch it down, it actually changes to live recording mode. So we're going to try with the live recording mode, and then I'm actually going to record whatever I'm saying right now. So we tap on record, and it vibrates right here, and then anything I'm actually recording or saying right now is recording. So that is how the Notta Memo actually works. So once you're done recording, you can choose to just stop it this way, and then it vibrates right here, and then you're going to go back, and then you go to your home, and then you're going to see your recordings right here. So this is actually going to sync directly from this device to this side, and you're going to see that everything you said into this thing or you recorded is actually going to transcribe right here. That is pretty cool. And you can choose to listen by tapping on this section, and it's actually going to play this way. This is where your recordings are playing. So you tap on it this way. It vibrates right here, and then anything I'm actually recording or saying right now is recording. So you see afterwards, you can see that everything I said has been transcribed right away, just with ease, you get me. And you can tap on this section in order to just change it to another language. So when I tap on this way, and then I scroll down, and probably going to change it to French, or let's see, French right here. Tap on done. It's actually going to change into French. We have it right here. It has changed everything I said into French. So in case you have someone who is at a meeting, or maybe having a phone call, and then they don't understand a particular language, they can use Notta Memo to actually record it and later transcribe it, and then get it to their language they want. This is actually very, very cool. And what tops it all is this one can actually summarize a meeting or a phone call you actually have. So you tap on this side and then you're going to tap on generate a template, and then it's actually going to summarize anything you said right away. So you can see it actually shows some explanations of how the Notta Memo works or the functionalities. So you can see right here, this is actually very, very cool. So if you have a meeting or anything you would need it in future, this device is actually going to help you to get it. And you can actually share this to your friends. So in case you have a Notion app too, you can just tap on this section right here and then you add it right away, connect to your Notion app, and you're going to be able to just add this right away. Another thing you can also do is you can use the AI chat right here. This is actually very, very cool. So this is how you are going to be able to use the charger or connect the charger to the device. It's kind of having a magnetic surface, so you just put it like that and then it's going to fit that way. Try this device out, and also don't forget to download the app, and I'm going to leave the links to this application in my description in case you want to buy it. You can just get it, and that is pretty much very cool. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.